So I'd like to propose a paradigm shift for human nature interaction. I'd like to propose a paradigm shift for the future and for the transition ahead. What we're talking about is a world where permaculture is at the center, permaculture's values and principles. Let's look at what the other components are here. I propose that sacred is a strong arm or chair in this schema. Another one is community building. So here are the three pillars conceptually around permaculture values and principles. Let's look at some of the integral ideas here. Commerce, governance, new alchemy, and myth. These are three ideas that are at the core extension of permaculture as we move forward, as we look for a new way to work with each other and nature. Let's fill out the Venn diagram. Community building, localization groups. These are folks who are bringing us back to ourselves in a sense, trying to solve the fuel problems, food problems. Certainly green building and landscaping are a part of the tools that design with nature, are a part of permaculture values. Integrative design, organic gardening. Let's talk about biomimicry, what we can learn from nature. I've placed that in the sacred box next to new alchemy and myth. I'm making this video with an iPhone, and that's why it's shaky a little bit. In the commerce section, here comes barter and alt money. Let's find some alternatives to the corporate scam, to the banking industry, who's been ripping us off forever. Seed exchange. This is an interesting one. This is sort of building a bridge between community building and tools and design. Sharing seeds that Monsanto would really like to get their hands on, the evil bastards. Let us not forget the sustainability tools, LEED certification. These are all part of an extended view of permaculture, tools in nature. Tools in nature, designing with nature. Up in the community building section, we now have food co-ops, farmers markets, green tech. That's a part of tools and design with nature. Critical. Up in community building here, we have intentional communities and co-ops. Check out how that works with localization, governance, permaculture values. I hope that you're finding this integrative and holistic and futuristic. We need a system when the other one crashes, and the other one will crash. So, in the center of the cloud is how I call this, permaculture as the next unifying human nature model. My name is Willi Paul. Get a hold of me.